About this item: trophy safe and fast wireless watch charging. Our wireless charger provides a safer and faster charging mode. It only takes less than 3 hours to fully charge. For a more perfect charging experience, please take off the watch case and use a 5V/1A adapter or original adapter. Trophy wide compatible. Our wireless charger is compatible with iWatch Series Ultra/8/7/6/SE2/SE/5/4/3/2/1, including the 38mm/40mm/41mm/42mm/44mm/45mm version. Trophy portable design is 3.3 feet iWatch charging cable is convenient to carry around, especially for traveling, and is suitable as a backup charger for your watch. Trophy advanced safety built-in safeguards with overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit, and over-temperature protection and other safety features. Guards your device battery against overcharge damage. Envelope with Arrow 1 2-month quality assurance. As a responsible brand seller, you will receive 𝐔𝐸𝐠 12-month quality assurance and lifetime friendly customer service. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: